So Jai Hind student, now we have a new topic of class 9th with us, that is operation on real numbers. What do you mean by operations on real number? Operations means addition of real number, subtraction of real number, multiplication of real number and division of real number. How will add two irrational numbers or real number? So root 2 plus root 3, when we'll have to add root 2 plus root 3, they will not be added, they will remain same, because these two are unlike terms. Root 2 plus root 3 will not be added, it will remain same. But in this case you can see that 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, here like terms, root 2, so you can always take 2 root 2 as a common. If we take root 2 as a common, it will leave with like this, right? Root 2 will common, it will become 2 plus 3. But generally we don't write like this. We always perform the addition like 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 will become 3 to 5 root 2. So it become 5 root 2. Come to the subtraction. See, root 2 minus root 3, this will remain same, it will not be subtracted. You cannot write that 2 minus root 3, it will become something, this will not be happen, right? So root 2 minus root 3 will become same. But in the case of like terms, you can see here that 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, right? You can always take root 2 as a common, it will be 3 minus 2 and answer will be root 2, because 3 minus 2 1, it will become root 2, right? So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 become root 2. Now come to the multiplication. See here, root 2 into root 3, it will become root 2 into 3, right? So it will become 2 3 ja 6. In case of same number, root 2 into root 2, it will become root 2 whole square and it will be 2. Square root का square करते हैं तो it will be always, it will be cancelled, right? So root 2 squared will become 2. Now division, root 2 upon root 3 will become whole root of 2 upon 3. These all are based on the multiplication and division are the based on law of exponent. From this topic you all are already aware. In the previous class, in class 8th, we already learned about law of exponents, right? So these all concepts are based on law of exponents, right? So I hope you all understand the operations on the real number. Now we will take some example. See, in this example here, add 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 and root 2 minus 5 root 3. How will add these two numbers? You can see here, this add plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. You can see that 3 root 2 and root 2 are like term. Take these two together, plus 7 root 3 and 5 root 3 are like term. Take this together. 3 root 2 plus root 2, 3 1 4 root 2 and 7 minus 5 2 root 3, correct? Come to the subtraction. Subtract this from this. So after from, we will write first 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3, then come to the this one minus bracket root 2 minus 5 root 3. When open the bracket, it will become minus and this will become plus, right? Now take the like term together. 3 plus root 3 and minus root 2 together, 7 root 3 plus 5 root 3 together. So 3 minus 1 become 2, 2 root 2 and plus 7 plus 5 root 3 to become 7 5 12 root 3. Now switch to the next topic, that is multiply. You can see here how I'll multiply. See, 5 root 11 into 3 root 11, right? It will become 5 3 ja 15 and root 11 square, it will become 11. So 15 into 11 165. Come to this topic, root 13 minus root 6 into root 13 plus root 6. Here we'll apply the concept of, as you all know, that a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a minus b will become a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b will become a square minus b square. So root 13 square become 13, root 6 square become 6, 7, 13 minus 6 become 7. Here you can see that a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Now 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 2 2 4 root 3, become 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 root 3. See students, most of the student do the thing wrong, as 4 plus 3 equal to 7. You cannot add 4 in the same, means 4 plus 3 plus 4, 4 3 7, 7 4 11, root 3 is not the correct answer. कभी कभी बच्चे क्या करते हैं 4 प्लस 3 प्लस 4 ये तीनों एक साथ ऐड कर देंगे, 4 3 7, 7 4 11, 11 रूट 3 आंसर लिख देंगे, बट 11 रूट 3 इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज रॉन्ग. करेक्ट. This will be the correct answer.